Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Srinivasan Chandramohan Iyer and I am a mentor, and on behalf of the Mission Mentors, I would like to share a good news with extreme pleasure, happiness and joy. Yes, it is indeed a good news to all the salaried employees, including the private sector employees who are contributing their PF shares to the Employees Provident Fund organization. Now, what is this good news with you? To celebrate and explain further, let us understand and know the term EDLI. So what is EDLI? The EDLI scheme, that is the Employees Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme, was implemented as part of the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act, EPF and MP Act 1952. It is a mandatory insurance cover that is provided to all the subscribers under the EPF scheme, free of cost. Also, all the organizations covered under the EPF and MP Act 1952 get automatically enrolled for the EDLI scheme. Under the scheme, a nominee or legal heir of the bread-earning member working in an organization as a salaried employee, irrespective of private or government sectors, is entitled to get a lump sum payment of up to rupees 7 lakhs as insurance claims for death due to natural causes, illness or accident, and now especially in case of death due to COVID-19. This amount is being offered by the Employees Provident Fund organization, that is EPFO, which is the nodal authority for Employees Provident Fund or PF to assist family members of active salaried staff under the scheme. There are various benefits that Employees Provident Fund organization EPFO envisages for its members. These Provident Fund benefits include free insurance and pension benefits too. Basically, an Employee Provident Fund account is generally considered a retirement-oriented investment option, which is mandatory for each and every employee for monthly PF contributions. How can a person claim death insurance benefit? The details of the nominee are filled in by an employee who has an EPF account or PF form number 2. The nominee mentioned by the employee can avail the death insurance benefit under the EDLI scheme. How do I claim EDLI? Online. Employees Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme, that is. With the launch of these new online functionalities, even PF death claim form or EPS pension form can now be submitted online through EPFO UAN member portal, right? That is EPF composite death claim form in a single form to claim EPF, that is form number 20, EPS pension, form number 10D, and EDLI claim form number 51F, right? To claim EDLI amount, the following documents have to be submitted. What are the documents? Application form in prescribed format, death certificate of the employee, guardianship certificate if the EDLI claim is being made on behalf of the minor family member or nominee. The legal guardian have to submit the guardianship certificate, right? So with this, I hope I've been able to convey the new schemes that has been introduced by the EPFO through the government, and this will be really beneficial to you people. Thank you so very much. Thank you once again.